Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to navigate through Canvas for Ms. Sanchez kindergarten class. First you will sign into Clever. After you've signed in, you will click on this app. This is the Canvas app. It has palm trees with red polka dots. After you sign in, this will be your dashboard. We have a picture of Welcome to Kindergarten. These are the different apps and buttons that you will click on to help you navigate through. So first, we will click on the button Meet Ms. Sanchez. This is just a short little PowerPoint that you can view on your own just to get to know me better. Then at the bottom of almost each page, you will get a button that says Home, and if you click on it, it will bring you right back. And then this button is just some contact information. This will tell you information about Dojo, Nearpod, how to get to Canvas, which is through Clever, the school's address, the school's phone number, and my email, and our classroom at school. Again, if you keep scrolling down, click on the home button. It'll bring you right back. Then here, if you click on Zoom, it'll automatically bring you to the Zoom website or app so we can start our Zoom sessions for the day. On apps, here's just a few that we have just right now to start off. Classic Dojo, which is what we will be using to contact each other, and I will be posting information and videos and pictures through there. Starfall is an educational website that the kindergartners can go on. Go Noodles is what I usually like to do to have little brain breaks where we dance and do yoga poses and some various other things. And then right here, these three at the bottom are some manipulatives. So if you click on them, it'll bring you to a website where you can use these manipulatives. We have tense frames and number lines. For the number lines, you will start with 0 and click right here, end at 20, press go, and you will be able to use that as a reference. If there is a page that does not have a home button, you will navigate to the left-hand side right here and click on home again. And story time would be where I would be posting pre-recorded videos of me reading stories to the children. And right here is our daily schedule. So Monday through Friday, each day is kind of slightly different schedule. I will personally be sending each student their own schedules so everybody knows exactly when they should be signing on every day. And that is how you navigate the homepage. When we have assignments or announcements, they will be popping up here at the top. I haven't posted any yet, so normally right above here would be, let's see if we're at the homepage. There you go. So there are some announcements here. So the first announcement here that I posted was just a welcome. And this is where we will be, where I will have the daily schedules, or I guess assignments for each day. So just make sure you figure out which date it is, and then you click on the date that you need. So for Monday, I have the first day. We will be doing everything through Zoom online and together, so there won't be any independent work. This would be the Zoom link, and it will be the same every single day. So you'll just click on it and it'll bring you to our Zoom. It tells us what time in the morning that we will start. And normally there will be different things for the independent reading, for independent writing, independent math, and science. And then at the end, I will have the homework. Parents, this is for you. Students, that would be for you. And once we get started, I will start adding more apps and I'll start adding more information. And like I said, each day would be a new schedule or new independent work. So if you have any questions about Canvas or where to go and what to do, just give me a text, call, or you can message me through Canvas or any other way. Thank you.